Hello friends, welcome. Welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how you can make a beautiful Adenium bonsai very easily at your home. So look at my Adenium tree here. It is one of my favorite. So I trained this to make its beautiful cortex. So I will share step by step processes that what I did to get this beautiful cortex. So watch the video till end. I will try to present the total journey with this beautiful plant. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please consider subscribing, as very interesting videos are keep coming. So friends, this is the first step. So watch out carefully. First, I cut the branches of this adenium close from the cortex to generate more branches from the bottom. Cutting the branches of adenium is very suitable to get bigger cortex. So after cutting, we need to save this wound from infection. So apply a coat of antifungal powder over it. And as antifungal powder may wash off by water, so here I am applying a coating of candle wax over it, so it will not get washed up by water. It is a great way to prevent fungal infection. So now I am showing how to get a flat and wider cortex formation. Sorry friends about the video quality, as it is a so old clip, but I think all of you can understand. I just want to show here something, that I have used a carbon block of water filter to make its cortex wider. I planted this adenium over this carbon filter for over a year, and it actually helps me to get a flat and wider cortex. You can use normal plastic sheet by cutting in circle shape also. So that's it. So move on to the next step. Now I am showing you something very interesting. I repotted this plant in this flat pot. I normally repotted it. It was nothing to show. That's why I had not recorded. So anyway, look at here at this adenium. It has been affected by rotting disease in monsoon. But nothing to worry here. Look, first I am going to remove all the leaves of the lower portion to have better air circulation. Because having a better air circulation is so good to keep fungal infections away. Then I will cut off all the infected parts very carefully. After removing all the infected parts, I will apply a coat of antifungal powder. Then I will use Fevigum, or you can use any kind of plastic glue or use candle wax as I used before to apply a coat over it. You need to repeat this process of applying coating in every 4 to 6 months if there is some space for water to be locked in the wound. Though it will get mature by 1 or 2 years, then nothing has to do. So after doing all this work, then you need to do some more things, like providing correct succulent growing media, fertilizer, lots of sunlight, and watering the plant correctly to let your adenium grow happily. If you want to know about best and free succulent growing media, I will provide the link in the description. And one more important thing is needed, that is to keep patience to let your plant grow. So keep all this in mind and follow accordingly. Also, you will have a beautiful adenium bonsai in next couple of years. And soon I will work on its branches. So make sure to stay in contact by subscribing. So that's all for today. Stay well and keep supporting. Thank you friends.